Okay, my first lead code task. Boom, boom, boom. We have to sign in. There is an option to do it with Google. Okay, and here we are. I already have an account, but I haven't have not solved many problems yet. So let's try just something. I know that there is a some kind of thing that, like a daily task, but I don't know where to find it. So let's start from the here it is. Whoa, I don't know. Code editor, toolbar, change the preference to daily time in the settings. Okay, let's try a central tab. Next. Okay. Space by trying. Next. Okay. Resize. Yes. Got it. Maximize the panel. Got it. And expand collapse. Okay. Okay. Got it. So I'm going to use, well, here we have TypeScript or JavaScript. Okay, let's start with JavaScript. So you are given 0 indexed integer array nums and an integer pivot. Rearrange nums such that the following conditions are satisfied. Every element less than pivot appears before every element greater than pivot. Okay. Every element equal to pivot appears in between the elements less than and greater than pivot. So pivot is a number as I see, yes. Okay. The relative order of the elements less than pivot and the elements greater than pivot is maintained. More formally, consider every pi, pj, where pi is the new position of the ith element and pj is the new position of the jth element. If I less than j and both elements are smaller or larger than pivot, then pi less than pj. Return nums after rearrangement. Example. Here we have p pivot equal to 10. Output 9, 5, 3, 10, 10, 12, 14. So here from the left side the sequence is the same as in initial array and after as well. Nums minus 4, 3, 2. Okay, in the end we will have minus 3, 2, 4, 3. Yes, I think I got it. So, and the result should be simple. And the result should, what kind of complexity can we have here? I believe that this should be ON, but maybe we should not use unshift method of array because it will increase our complexity instantly. This is why we should use something different. I think that we should keep the index of pivoted element, and when we see the number that is lower than pivot number, then we have to, if we will put this number into the middle of array, we will got the n square complexity anyway, so we need something different. Okay, let's start with an algorithm that would be pretty naive. Result, for example, is an empty array. Then I will make a loop, and how to say it, a loop through all elements of an array. If value less than pivot, then we will unshift value if value is equal to pivot, then we have to put it to the index. Pivoted index is, let's start from 0, and if we put some element to the left side, we have to plus it. Let's name it first pivot index. And here is a simple thing, we only have to push the element to the end of this array. And here we have to put the element in the middle of an array. How can we do it? I don't remember the name. Not slice, maybe splice, or let's Google it. How to put an element in the middle of JavaScript array. Okay, splice index 0. Well, yes, splice is what we need. Result splice first pivot index 0 value, and we should return result array. Let's check result. First pivot index should be lat, of course. Value is value less than pivot. Result unshift value. I don't remember actually what does unshift do. Maybe we should use shift. X is, for example, 1, 2, 3. X unshift 10. And yes, unshift is what we're looking for. Value. We can also check splice. X splice 1 99 1 0 99 X. Yes, just perfect. Splice should work, and here we have the result. I think it works. Let's try what will happen. Test results.
'Cause, 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 'c
splice. Yep. Error. Okay, got it. Wrong answer. Output 3. Oh, I got it. We have to put the, because I unshift every next element, I got the next problem that the sequence of elements that less than pivot element would be wrong, would be reversed. This is why I should use splice as well to make it work, and to put it before first pivoted index. Yes. Okay, maybe this is what we're looking for. Yes, now we can simplify it. If value is bigger than nums, then we'll just push it to the result array. In the other case, we will splice it, and if value less than pivot number, then we will increment the index of first pivot value. Looks like I haven't changed the core. Wrong. Wow. Looks like value is, yes, less than pivot. Yep. My mistake. Accepted. So my first lead code task is solved. Let's submit it. Will it work or not? Time limit exceeded. Yep. We have to simplify it somehow. How can we do it? As I said, the complexity is too big. One more option is to create 2 different or even 3 different arrays that will let us make it. And make actually O to ON complexity. So let's try result left, result right, and pivot count. If value is bigger, then we will push it to the result right. If value is less than pivot, then we will push it to result left. In the other case, we will just increment the result. The pivot count, which is initially a 0. Then we will create the final result array. Then we will remember that then left result and right results, and in this case are in the right direction, in the right sequence. And the same we should do with result right. And here we are. Yes, accepted. And the complexity is the same. This element is extra one. Let's try. Left result. Result left, of course. Yep. Yep, got it. So the problem in my first solution was in the complexity. The complexity was O square, because I tried to put the element in the middle of array, and it forced a JavaScript array to make the loop through the whole array and to put every element to the right position. When I changed this algorithm, and I decided to use more money to solve this problem actually, but algorithmic complexity became smaller. So that's it.